On your feed, you'll kind of can start here. You'll see your feed, but what you're going to want to do is go to your profile. So click on your picture, and then in the top right, there's going to be a hamburger menu, which is the little menu in the top right corner with the three lines. Click on that. Go to Insights, and then go to Audience. That's the third, I guess, like tab. And so here you'll see all your information, but where we're going to focus on is the best times that your followers are actually online. And so above, you can go on here and you can kind of see what are the best times for you to post. So I get a lot of questions about this of how do you know when your audience is online, what days are best, and so I'm going to show you that. So here it's highlighted and it'll kind of give you some information. So if you click on the eye, it will show you, okay, these are the followers for your hours, and these are average times. So it's always like an estimate, right? So you have your hours and you have your days. So depending on if you're scheduling out your posts, you're just trying to figure out what days are best for you, you can do that. So today is Saturday. And so for me, I can kind of go through, and if you click actually on the bars, it will give you the actual numbers. So you can kind of see like, okay, like if I was going to post today, my best time would probably be about 6 p.m. if I want to try to get the chance of having most of my followers online. And then you can kind of do the same thing for days. Click on it again. And so these are the days. So mine's pretty much spread across the board, but yours may vary depending on yours. So there you go. That's a quick tip on how to figure out when is the best time for you to post, and is part of your success of really digging into your numbers. So that's one part. If there's anything else you would like to see, just let me know.